morning, Shivsha students. How are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. So let's start our computer subject and we will continue our lesson number 3 MS Word in Advance. So today on page number 41 of your computer textbook, lesson 3, we will continue part 4 of it. Today we are going to learn how to insert picture in the web page, that in the document, and that also in HTML program. So first of all, inserting picture in the document. How to insert? To insert the picture in the document. Okay, just you have to insert. But what are the steps? You can see this. Okay, this is the paragraph already we did in the document. So first of all, just you have to place the insertion point, that is mouse pointer at the desired position in the document where you want to keep that picture. Okay, keep the cursor over there, and also you will get help from the menu bar, that is insert is given. Okay, and what type of picture you want. Okay, your pictures are given. Okay, so many pictures are there, not shapes. Okay, see clear in your mind, you are not selecting any shape. Okay, that we will do later when you go further in this program. So picture you are going to select. So which type of picture you want for your document, that you will select from here, and just select, and where the insert the picture dialog box appear. Okay, where the cursor is, you can see you want a picture of a cow. Okay, so this is the picture of a cow. So this one is your picture. Okay, and there also it is given option insert button. Select the text will replaced. Okay, here it is given, you can see. Okay, and where you want to keep that picture, here one paragraph is there, and near that paragraph you want this picture. So it is given, it will be replaced. Okay, and X sign is to close the dialog box. Okay, here it is given X also, you can select from there also and from here also, but here it is given cancel. So keep in mind, you want to cancel means you are not inserting picture, so you are going to use close button after inserting picture. So your picture will appear in your document. What happens when we select any picture, we want small size or large size or full page of it. So there are the few steps of it also. Selecting picture. Okay, once you insert the picture, after inserting a picture you can perform various activities. So what are the various activities? You can make the size small, or you can make large size or full page of that picture. It depends upon our document, what type of document and what type of picture we want to keep in our document. Okay, you can resize, move or crop a picture. Okay, so here we can see picture. A new tab called format tab appears in the ribbon. Okay, so how to do that ribbon work? It is given here. See, you can see a menu bar in your textbook also, and same thing you will see in your document also. Okay, here it is given picture to format. Okay, you want to format. Format means changes. See, word format means you want changes. Okay, what changes you want to do? Here it is given resizing your picture, inserted picture. Okay, this is the real size, and you want to make smaller than that, like this. So what you have to do, just click that picture. Okay, so one type of screen, that is the four side, one rectangle you can see around the picture, and with the help of mouse you can make this size. Okay, just drag how much size you want to keep, large or a small, so it will appear like this, picture size change, that is the formatted your picture. And one instruction for you, you can stretch. Okay, stretch an image horizontal or vertical using the side size handle. Which are the side handle? This one you can say. Okay, this way also you can handle to make a size small. Okay, that is the width or height you want to make less. Okay, so both options are there for you. Now on page number 43, moving the picture. How to move the picture? So few steps are given for you. Select an image, format tab, same thing we did on the page 42. Okay, appears on the ribbon. Click the format tab, arrange the group. Okay, arrange in group. Click the wrap text drop down command. Okay, one option is there. Okay, and from that what type of option is there, you can see practical by doing. Okay, one more step is given, cropping, how to crop the picture. Okay, see here it was given, wrap the text drop down command, from this downly select the desired option. Okay, so which are the desired option, here it is the one option, cropping the picture. Cropping means you want half of it face, you want from two pictures you want one picture. Okay, few another steps are there. Select the picture to be cropped. Okay, from the format tab when it appears. Okay, here, and this is the crop option. Okay, you have selected from these two, I want a boy picture or a girl picture, that also you can see. So I have selected girl, so only this picture it will be seen for you. Okay, and here crop also, here you can say it will decrease or increase size, how much you are doing. Okay, by doing this you are giving numbers over here, height and width, and by cropping also you can select the picture. Okay, that you can increase or decrease the size of the picture. Selected picture, but I want something more interesting in that. Simple picture I don't like, so I want background color, or I want to change few color or system, or I want to keep border, or I want to keep few emojis, anything I want like, and line size also I want to increase. So few more options are there, that is adding a border around the picture. Okay, so it makes more attractive to your document. Simple thing, select the picture, format tab as usual we did, this is the third time they are explaining us. Okay, and then click the format tab in the picture, here one type of screen will appear. Okay, color, what type of color. Okay, weight, okay, and then here it is dashes, more outline color, here more options you will see. You want outline of the color or no outline, what you want. Okay, it's upon you what type of changes you want. Okay, and see here is one pencil. Okay, so with the help of this selection, line size. Okay, line size you can select, so it shows width of the line. Okay, the width of the line, how much line color you want to keep, border of the picture you want to border line you want to keep colored border. Okay, black border also you can keep, and from selecting color also you can keep color border also. Okay, so one picture is given, see this is the simple picture. Okay, first we did of cow, and now here they have shown about the one hand. Okay, after the selected picture I gave a border, and that of also black color. Okay, after the border, see the difference of the picture. Okay, you can give color border also, and width of this line also you can increase and decrease also, it depends upon our choice. And next we will continue in the next class. Thank you students, have a nice day.